What's up, everybody? Welcome to your mini stepper workout. We're going to be doing upper body exercises today, working on that muscular development. We're going to be only using the bands. So I recommend that you shorten your bands to increase the resistance so you can get a more effective workout, feel that intensity with the exercises a little bit more. So for example, I've adjusted and shortened my resistance band. It's about as long as the foot plate. So go ahead and do that now if you haven't done it already. Go ahead and just pause that video. And when you're ready to go, we'll go ahead and get started with our first combo. So first combo is going to be a bent over row with a bicep curl. So let's go ahead and hop on our stepper. Grab your bands. We're gonna stand with both feet even. Hips are gonna be back, bending over slightly. And we're gonna get in that nice neutral spine position, and we're gonna start our first set of 10 reps. So nice and slow pulls, really focusing on bringing those shoulder blades back in together. That's 3, nice and smooth, really slow and controlled. Keep going. Driving those elbows up and back. All right, last one. All right, we're gonna stay in that same position. We're gonna stand a little bit more upright, and we're gonna go right into a bicep curl. So same thing, set of 10, nice and slow. Keeping those palms facing forward. Breathing in on the way down, out on the way up. Nice and smooth. 2 more. Last one. All right, great job. Short break, 30 seconds. Let those muscles recover for a second. If you need to make another adjustment, if the resistance was too heavy or too light, go ahead and do that now or during any break during this workout. That's totally fine. Just making sure that you get the right resistance on there. So we got about 10 more seconds to rest. We did 1 set already. We're gonna do 2 more of that same superset. So back-to-back exercises, rows and curls. All right, let's go ahead. Set number 2. Back on your step, feet even, bent over position, driving those elbows back, shoulder blades back and together. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, keep going, 6, good job, keep going, 7, let's do 3 more, 8, good squeeze, 9, and last one. All right, right into those curls, standing up straight, palms facing forward. 4, good job, keep going. 5, 6, 7, got 3 more. 8, 9, and 10, good job. All right, another 30-second break. Whew, shake it out. Starting to feel that burn a little bit. Got 2 more supersets after this one. We're gonna be doing an incline press and a shoulder press. So we're gonna get ready to sit down on our step, and then I'll demonstrate the next 2 exercises. We're gonna be doing the same way. So you're gonna do 1 exercise first, go right in to the next one with a 30-second break, and then we're gonna do 3 sets again. All right, let's finish off this first superset. Last set of rows, 10 reps. Bent over position, strong pulls. 5, halfway there. Last 2, pull hard. 1 more. Good job, all right. Coming up right, last set of bicep curls. Keeping those elbows tight to your body. Last one. All right, great job. Woo. 30-second rest. We're gonna go down to your step. We're gonna be seated, facing away from the bands. So let me demonstrate real quick. Make sure your feet platforms are level. You're gonna sit down right on top of your steps. First exercise is gonna be an incline press. Make sure that the bands are on the inside of your arms, not on the outside. We're gonna go 10 reps, sitting up nice and straight. We're gonna be pressing out at a 45-degree angle. So here we go. 10 reps, pressing out, 45-degree angle. Hands in a neutral position. Sitting up nice, straight and tall. Punching straight ahead. And one more. All right, good job. Same thing, except now we're gonna go straight up overhead. So 10 reps, straight up overhead. So that's 5, keep going. Three more. Last 2. One more. All right, great job. Whew. Shake it out. 30-second break. Got 2 more sets of that one. We got 1 more superset after this one. We're gonna do a tricep kickback and a rear delt pull. So that's gonna be up off the step. So we got 2 more sets, incline press, shoulder press, and then we're gonna come up off the step again and finish with some tricep work and some rear delt work to get the back of those shoulders. All right, let's go ahead. Set number 2, back down on your step. Make sure those foot platforms are even. Grip on the inside. Second set of 10, incline press, neutral position. Breathing in on the way down, out on the way up. Nice and steady. 4 more. Last one. All right, right into overhead press. Keep those elbows back, hands back, straight up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going, keep going. 6, 7, 8. Last 2. 9. One more time. Woo. 10. Good job. Woo. Burning up those shoulders. Good job. 30 seconds. We got 1 more set to go. Woo. Feeling that good burn. Really working on building that muscle with this workout. So it's really great that you're doing your cardio with your stepper, but it's also important to make sure you're building that lean muscle mass so you can get that extra calorie burn from all that new muscle that you're gonna be building. So let's go ahead and get ready. Got 1 more set. Incline press, shoulder press. Here we go. Triceps, the rear delt pulls coming up next. Last set, here we go. Sitting up nice, straight and tall. Pushing out of that 45-degree angle. Five more, you got this. Last 2. And 1 more. All right, finish strong. Fight through that burn. Overhead press. 5 more. Last 2, you got this. And one more. All right, good job. Whew. 30-second break. Rear delt pulls coming up next, along with tricep extensions. So real quick, we're gonna do 1 foot on your step. So very important, make sure before you do the tricep extensions, press that step all the way down. 1 foot on the step. Keep your body weight over the step. You don't wanna be too far back because you might push that step away from you. So keep your weight centered over the step. Your other foot's gonna be back, and we're just gonna be doing a tricep kickback. Okay, so we're gonna do 10 reps, one on one arm, 10 reps on the other arm, and then we're gonna go into the rear delt pulls. Rear delt pulls, same thing, except you're gonna grab both bands. You can use either leg, so left leg, right leg, whatever way you feel more balanced. We're gonna keep our elbows out. We're just gonna be pulling straight back for a rear delt pull. So 10 reps. So here we go. Let's go ahead and start with your left side. 1 foot back, weight over your step. Keep your elbow up. I'm gonna kick straight back. Nice and easy. Just bring it up as high as you can. Elbow up, close to your body. One more time. All right, switch sides. Whew. Right leg on the step. Left foot back, elbow up, kicking back. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. 4, 5, 6, 7. Nice and smooth. 8, last 2. 9, one more. All right, good job. Grab that other handle, right into rear delt pulls. Same position. Okay, bend over slightly, elbows out. Nice, easy pulls. Should feel those shoulder blades come together. Keep going. Last 2. And one more. All right, great job. Woo, 30 seconds left. We got 2 more sets to go. You got this. You're gonna finish strong with our triceps, working on those rear delt pulls. So again, make sure you have your balance before you begin your movement. So you wanna make sure you're balanced on that step so you can perform nice, stable repetitions. So let's go ahead and start on that left side. Left leg on the step. Make sure your body weight is centered over the step. Right foot back. Here we go, another set of 10. 2, 3, keep going. 4, 5, just push it back as far as you can. Last 3. And one more time. All right, good job. Switching it up, other side. Right leg on the step, left leg back. Here we go. Keep breathing. Good job, keep going. Last 2. All right, rear delt pulls. Here we go, second set, elbows out. Five more, you got this. Last 2. All right, great job. Woo! You made it, we got 1 set left. You got this, finish strong. It's okay if you're getting a little tired, you can push through. This is a great workout. You can add this to your normal cardio step exercise program. If you're new to resistance bands training, add maybe 1 or 2 days per week. Once you build up your strength and endurance, you can start adding a 3rd day. This program is okay to do up to 3 times per week. Just make sure you're taking a day off in between your full upper body resistance band training workouts. All right, let's go ahead and finish it up. Last set, left leg, tricep kickbacks. Finish it strong, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3 more, you got this. 8, 9, and 10. Good job. All right, going with that arm. Last time on the right side. Whew. Finish it strong. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going. 6. All the way to the end. 7, 8, 9, and 1 more. All right. Last set. Just finish strong with those rear delt pulls. Here we go. Last set of 10. Keep going. 3 more. You got this. 8, 9. Last one. And 10. All right. Whew. Shake it out. Great work. Thank you for joining me for this upper body workout. And we'll see you next time.